So what a day we are having at the moment. Crypto is absolutely plummeting. As you can see here, it is a sea of red, and a big sea of red as well. Some big losses amongst all of the cryptos out there at the moment. Actually, in the last half an hour or so, we've seen some gains. Bitcoin did drop down into the 30,000s. Ethereum went lower than 2,000, which was over 50% drop from its highest point in the last couple of weeks or so. So crazy drops. Some cryptocurrencies have seen even larger drops. Ravane, Shiba, the darling of crypto, a few weeks ago, has dropped 39% in the last 24 hours. That was up towards 50% about half an hour ago, and is about 64% loss for the last 7 days. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. The reason for it, we've had a great bull run, and there's just been a bit of news coming out recently that's just tempered all the optimism. Musk and Tesla. He's been a little bit more bearish on Bitcoin, as mentioning how much power it uses. News out this morning from China saying that they are cracking down on crypto companies. Not the first time they've done this. Going back to 2017, they did the same thing. And we saw Bitcoin and the like lose a lot of value on the back of that. But what you've come here for is Safemoon. So let's have a quick look at the Safemoon price at the moment. We're down at 54 at the moment, which is some way off the all-time high that we've seen in the last month or so. So there we are. As you can see, it's a pretty big drop-off, fairly in line with other cryptos out there. So it hasn't seen a more significant drop-off than many of the others, which is good. So we can see that it's holding its ground. And looking over the volume, so the volume has come down by about 15%, which isn't a significant amount. Again, nothing to worry about there, I don't think. I think it's important to look at the facts still with Safemoon. Obviously, people that have bought going back a few weeks ago would probably be a little bit nervous now, because we've seen the price kind of consolidate for a week or so, or over a week or so, and then we've tanked today. But if we look at the fundamentals are there's nearly 1.5 million people that have it on their watch list, which is incredible, which is still above Bitcoin and still above all the other top 10 coins on coinmarketcap. So the following is absolutely incredible. If we move over to the Twitter page, again, if we go back up to the top, we can see that there's approaching 800,000 followers out there, which is amazing. That's such a big following. And the most important thing, I think, is Safemoon is delivering on the stuff that they've mentioned that they would do in the roadmap. So if we scroll down a little bit here, you can see that they've got some more exchange listings, which is brilliant. The more exchange listings we can get, the higher we will see the trading volume for Safemoon, which over the long term should be good for the price. There we go, another exchange, Bitrue. And they've also been delivering on the Safemoon wallet, which there's more and more information being released on that. It's one of their key points of their roadmap. So they are delivering. Price is going to move around a bit, and when we see a whole market sell-off, it's nothing to be too concerned about in terms of Safemoon on its own. It's followed the market, it's tracked where all the other cryptocurrencies have dropped, and importantly, it hasn't dropped further than most of the big cryptocurrencies out there. So it shows it's got some support, and we haven't seen the massive panic sell-off that we see with some of these coins that have been fairly newly created. So I think we've just got to watch this space a minute. The bearish news is out there, no doubt, so we could see the price drop a little bit further, but the fundamentals are still strong. If you believe in Safemoon, I still think there's every reason that the price could go back up if they keep delivering on the stuff they mention on their roadmap. Right, that's it for today. As always, if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and drop a moon in the comments if you're currently holding Safemoon.